Welcome back to the What is SEO? SEO for Beginners series. In the last video, we went over SEO factor number 5, content freshness, accuracy, and depth. We went over how all content is not seen as equal in the eyes of Google and how you can improve your content accuracy and depth. In this video, we are on number 6 of the 10 most important ranking factors, and that is site authority. SEO factor number 6, site authority. Some sites carry more authority than others. For example, when it comes to medical issues, the Mayo Clinic site is more authoritative than some random person's blog. Major news outlets will also carry more weight than websites run by a singular person. When it comes to search results, Google favors these high authority websites. In Google's mind, these websites are considered more trustworthy sources of information. So what makes a site more authoritative? While Google doesn't have specifics of what shows authority, there do seem to be some commonly agreed upon items. The first key to authority is your backlinks. Websites with a lot of backlinks from a wide variety of sources are considered to have more authority than websites with a smaller number of backlinks. Another key to authority is topic expertise. Google realizes no one can be an expert in every single thing. They prefer websites that focus on being authority in one specific area. In the Google SEO Starter Kit, they say a website with a good reputation is trustworthy. Cultivate a reputation for trustworthiness and expertise in a specific area. Expertise and authoritativeness of a website increases the quality. Be sure that the content on your website is created or edited by people with expertise of the topic. For example, providing experienced or expert sources can help users understand an article's expertise. Representing a well-established consensus on pages of scientific topics is a good practice if a consensus exists. If you want your site to rank in search engines, focus on developing and demonstrating your expertise in a specific area. Avoid trying to cover too many topic areas. Focus on developing the very best content in your specific niche. For example, instead of focusing on the broad subject of health and fitness, focus on one element of health, like healthy eating. Building the authority of a site is all about momentum. The more specific, authoritative content you create, the more backlinks you'll gain. More backlinks result in your website being more authoritative. Once you get all of these things rolling, it becomes easier for you to establish your authority. So how do you see your own site authority? Well, there are a few options out there, but we will jump into Ubersuggest and see what they have to say. So let me show you how you can use Ubersuggest to find out your site authority. So when you are in Ubersuggest, you're going to want to go over to the traffic tab and then to traffic overview. You can see that right now I already have miles through time typed in here, so it is already showing up. And you can see that right here, it is showing that Sean has a domain authority of 28 for his miles through time website. And for a pretty new website, I would say that's not too bad. So super easy for you to go and type your URL in here and see where yours stacks up. And I will tell you, keep at it because this can take some time. So don't go all shiny object on it. Stick with one site. I made a huge mistake and got rid of my old website when I changed business names a few years back. I had been blogging there for over 10 years and I had over a 40 domain authority. And I moved some articles over to my new site, but when I did this, I didn't realize it, but I basically started completely over. So stick with one website and keep the same domain because this authority does not transfer over. In the next video in the series, we will dive into SEO factor number 7, user experience.